Hello students, welcome to the Sapnas Homeschooling YouTube channel. आणि आज आपण 3.2 A Lesson in Life from a Beggar या लेसनचा इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप सोडवणार आहोत. म्हणजे एका भिकाऱ्याकडनं तिला आयुष्याचा म्हणजे अ लेसन इन लाईफ म्हणजे आयुष्यातील एक धडा मिळाला एका भिकाऱ्याकडून. तर त्याबद्दल हा स्वाध्याय आहे. तर हा व्हिडिओ बघितला नसेल या लेसनच्या एक्सप्लेनेशनचा तर नक्की बघा. त्याचा व्हिडिओची लिंक व्हिडिओ अपलोडेड आहे सपनाज होमस्कूलिंग यूट्यूब चॅनलवर. पूर्ण मराठी वर्ड टू वर्ड ट्रान्सलेशन आहे. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट आहे, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला अटरन्स म्हणजे कोण म्हणालं, हू सेड टू हुम कोण कोणाला म्हणालं या पद्धतीने याचं उत्तर लिहायचं आहे. व्हिडिओ सुरू करण्यापूर्वी जर तुम्ही नवीन असाल चॅनलला तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकन दाबा. माझं नाव आहे सपना टीचर आणि पुणे जिल्ह्यातील तळेगाव दाभाड इथून आहे. श्वेता इज अ व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल गर्ल इजंट शी, हे ऑथर सुधा मूर्ती मीनाला म्हणाल्या. When a pony is young, he looks handsome. Who said? Meena said to author Sudha Murthy. It's a beautiful day. Author Sudha Murthy to Meena. Author Sudha Murthy Meena la म्हणाल्या. No, when the sun is too hot. Meena author Sudha Murthy ना म्हणाली. I'm all excited. It's nice to meet old friends. Meena author Sudha Murthy ना म्हणाल्या. Let's chat. Meena author Sudha Murthy ना म्हणाली. We won't get a taxi in this rain. Author Sudha Murthy Meena ला म्हणाल्या. Then what's the secret of your energy? Author Sudha Murthy Meena ला म्हणाल्या. A beggar changed my life. Meena author Sudha Murthy ना म्हणाली. So now the second question is, state whether the following statements are right or wrong. खालची वाक्य चुकीची का बरोबर आहे सांगायचं आहे. The author and Meena were great enemies. Correct करायचं wrong ones. Author and Meena were great enemies. The wrong sentence is the author and Meena were good friends. The good friends होत्या. Meena was a very cheerful person initially. Answer wrong. कारण Meena was a pessimistic person, always gloomy and cynical. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Delhi. Answer wrong है कारण Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Bangalore. D. Meena was the second child of her parent. तर आन्सर रॉंग आहे. मीना वॉज द ओनली चाइल्ड ऑफ हर पेरेंट्स. E. The author spotted Meena at Bombay's Flora fountain. Right? The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was a lot of traffic. Wrong. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. The scene of the beggar and the girl made Meena peep into her own life. Right? And the beggar became Meena's role model. Right? It took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. Right? Meena was able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. Wrong. By the time Meena was able to understand things, her Guru, the beggar, was dead. म्हणजे मीनानं गुरुदक्षिणा डायरेक्ट गुरुला दिली का तर नाही, कारण तिला द्यायची तोपर्यंत गुरु मेला होता. Third, choose the correct alternative to complete the sentence. Meena, who is an LIC officer, is a pessimistic person. An optimistic person, a disabled person. त्याचा आन्सर आहे Meena is a pessimistic person. Second is, the writer was standing near Akbar's a popular department store because she was waiting for her friend Meena. She was waiting for rain to stop. She wanted to buy something in Akbar Ali. Answer is, she was waiting for rain to stop. Now the next question is C. The only thought in the writer's mind till they reached the Grand Hotel was why the rain was not stopping, why had brought about such change in Meena, how the beggar had changed the entire life of Meena. Answer, what had brought about such a change in Meena. D. Meena sponsored the granddaughter of the beggar because she was alone in her life after his death. It was a token of respect for the beggar, or she was rich and so she wanted to help. The answer is it was a token of respect for the beggar. Question 4, how did the beggar change Meena's attitude? Discuss with your partner and complete the following way. The beggar's activities that changed Meena's attitude. The उत्तर, the beggar and his granddaughter were playing on the road. The beggar was laughing, clapping and screaming joyously as if they were in paradise. Hunger and rain did not matter to him. The beggar was totally drenched and totally happy. He knew how to be happy. Question 5. Write in your own words. How did Meena show her gratitude to her guru? Answer. Meena showed her gratitude to her guru by sponsoring his granddaughter to a boarding school so that she could complete her education. B. Why would Meena be sad initially? Give reasons. Pick out sentences from the story which prove that Meena was a pessimistic. So इथे सुरुवातीला मीना का दुःखी होती सांगायचं. Meena would be sad initially because her pessimistic nature made her focus only on the negative aspects of every situation. She often appeared gloomy and cynical. Sentences from the story. आता हे वाक्य लिहायचे स्टोरीतले सगळे आपण. She was forever unhappy. It was as though her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. C. She never had anything positive to say on any subject or about any person. D. Naturally, his father is a school teacher. E. When a pony is young, he looks handsome. It is age that matters. F. She was the only child and had the habit of complaining about anything and everything. Question 6a. Find antonyms of the following words from the story. Optimistic, pessimistic. Drizzle, pouring. New, old. Light, truth. Ugly, beautiful. Front, smiling. Hell, paradise. Unhappy, happy. Disrespect, respect. Unimportant, important. Optimistic, pessimistic. Drizzle, pouring. New, old. Light, truth. Ugly and beautiful. B. Go through the point below showing Meena's encounter with the beggar that transformed her completely. The sequence of events are jumbled up below. Arrange the events according to the occurrence. Fill in the number as per sequence. Okay. आपल्याला sequence लावायचा आहे. Answer. First, I saw from the window the beggar and the young girl playing on the road. Second, they enjoyed playing in the rain as if they were in paradise. Third, on seeing them so very happy, I felt ashamed of myself. Fourth, I decided to change using the beggar as role model. 5. It took 2 years to put the change into effect. Now the question 7. How did the beggar change Meena's attitude towards life? Write it down 5 to 6 lines. 1 is done for you. The incident made Meena to look at her own life. Okay. Now she realized she had so many comforts that the beggar did not have. The beggar knew how to be happy, which Meena didn't. First, Meena felt ashamed of herself. Second, she started to make a list of things she had to be more grateful. Third, now she was always happy, finding happiness in every small things. Question 8. Summarize the story with the help of points given below. A. Meena's initial attitude. B. Meena's meeting with Sudha Murthy in Mumbai. C. Beggar's incident. And D. Change and attitude. Answer. Meena's initial attitude. Meena was a pessimistic and cynical person who always focused on the negative side of situation. Her constant complaints and gloomy outlook made her unpleasant company and people avoided visiting her. B. Meena's meeting with Sudha Murthy in Mumbai. Years later, Sudha Murthy met Meena in Mumbai and was surprised to see a positive change in her personality. Meena seemed cheerful, full of energy and willing to make adjustment in life, which was unlike her earlier self. See Beggar's incident. Meena revealed that an old beggar and his granddaughter changed her life. Despite their poverty, she saw them enjoying the rain joyfully one day. Their zest for life made her realize she had many privileges but lacked contentment. D. Change in attitude. Inspired by the beggar's happiness, Meena decided to change her attitude over time. She learned to appreciate life and find joy in every situation. She also sponsored the beggar's granddaughter as a mark of gratitude. Now the question 9. Write the above summary making Meena the narrator. Begin with I work in Bangalore in LIC. Sudha was my friend. म्हणजे आता तुम्ही सगळी समरी जी मागे लिहिली ना त्याचं तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, ॲज इफ पहिलं कसं सुधा मूर्ती नॅरेटर होत्या, त्यांनी स्टोरी सांगितली. आता जसं काही मीना नॅरेटर आहे आणि ती स्टोरी सांगतीये त्या पद्धतीने आपण थोडक्यात लिहायचंय. ठीक आहे, सुरुवात करूया. I worked in Bangalore in LIC and Sudha was my friend. I must admit I was a pessimistic person back then. I often focused on the negative side of situations, complained a lot and failed to appreciate the good things in life. As a result, I often felt lonely and unhappy. Years later, I met Sudha in Mumbai. She was surprised to see how much I had changed. I was cheerful, full of life, and willing to make adjustments. When she asked about my transformation, I shared the incident that changed my outlook on life. One rainy day, I noticed an old beggar and his granddaughter playing joyfully in the rain outside my house. Despite their poverty, they were laughing and enjoying life. This made me realize that happiness comes from within, not from possessions. It was a wake-up call for me. Since then, I have worked on changing my attitude, appreciating life, and finding joy in every little thing. To honor the beggar who inspired me, I sponsored his granddaughter's education. This change has made me happier and more content person. Now the project: divide the class in 4 groups, collect 4 different stories written by Sudha Murthy, select a story for every group and write in form of play, enact it in front of the class. जर तुम्हाला प्रोजेक्ट सांगितलं तर मला नक्की सांगा, मी तुमच्यासाठी व्हिडिओ करून पाठवेल. लँग्वेज स्टडी: पंक्च्युएट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्स. आता हा एक खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे कारण परीक्षेला हे क्वेश्चन येतातच. डिड यू गिव्ह एनी गुरुदक्षिणा टू युअर गुरु? आय आस्क. आन्सर डिड यू. तर या पद्धतीने तुम्ही हे सोडवायचं. जिथे क्वेश्चन विचारला क्वेश्चन मार्क मस्ट आहे. नो अदर इजंट एनी वन लाईक दॅट शी सेड. क्वेश्चन 2, ॲड अ सफिक्स टू द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. काइंड सफिक्स म्हणजे शेवटी ॲड करण्याचे वर्ड्स. त्यांनी अर्थ बदलतो शब्दांचा. काइंड काइंडनेस, हॅपी हॅपीनेस, इग्नोर इग्नोरन्स, ॲश्युअर ॲश्युरन्स. इमॅजिन इमॅजिनेशन, डेप्यूट डेप्युटेशन, मॅनेज मॅनेजमेंट, assess assessment. Make up 4 meaningful words by using letters from pessimistic. Time, pest, missed, tip, sip, pet, met. Change into indirect speech. Meena, it's a beautiful day, I said. Answer: I told Meena that it was a beautiful day. Indirect and direct speech तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन येतात एक्झामला, त्यामुळे सिन्सिअरली करा. B. Hey, I am really excited. It's nice to meet old friends. What are you doing here? Said Meena. Answer: Meena greeted her and said she was really excited. It was nice to meet old friends. She asked what she was doing there. We won't get a taxi in this rain, I grumbled. Answer: I grumbled that we wouldn't get a taxi in the rain. D. So what? We shall buy an umbrella and then go to the Grand Hotel, she said. She asked so what they could buy an umbrella and then go to the Grand Hotel. E. Did you give any Guru Dakshina to your Guru? I asked. Answer: I asked her whether she had given any Guru Dakshina to her Guru. Thank you so much. तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ बघितला. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला नक्की लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. भेटूयात नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. धन्यवाद.